Okay, when it comes to aeration equipment, I'll show you in a second what we use inside a tank and outside a tank, so you have an idea of the type of equipment we use. And by the way, we install, retrofit, or repair. We also do consultations in 50 US states, as well as 193 countries. So anything you need aeration-wise, you call us or text us, get in touch with us, and we'll be happy to respond and dispatch a crew if need be, and be on site within a matter of days in 50 US states or 193 countries. So let me show you the type of equipment we use, okay? Welcome to Aeration Experts, and today we'd like to bring to your attention a Class 3 tornado mixer, also known as a surface-mounted aeration aspirator for sale or for rent. That's right, folks. You could rent it from us if you have long-term or short-term rental needs, if you're not quite ready to buy it outright, or you could purchase outright. So what it is, it's a refurbished 50 horsepower mixer with the entire, cage, accessories, the cables, the power cables, the mounting cables, and the floating, obviously, device. It has new bearings. It's been fully refurbished. It's a gem. It even comes with an instruction manual. Now, when it comes to the brand that's printed on the instruction manual, as you know, every 5 years or so, the brand usually changes hands. So on one instruction manual, you might see RW Water by Aeromix. On the other one, it might say Fluence. On the some other version, it might say Nutera or something else. But regardless of the brand name, it's a 50 horsepower refurbished mixer, fully tested, fully refurbished, ready to go. And most importantly, folks, we're trying to declutter our warehouses, which means we're going to make you a deal that you can't refuse. You won't be able to say no to. So call us at 1-312-857-4416. We'll make you a deal. If you've been looking for a mixer, this is the time, the best time to get it, because again, we need to get rid of a lot of our inventory from our warehouses. We have a lot of them, so if you need one or 10 of them, just let us know how many you need and we'll get you all taken care of, okay? They are located physically in our warehouse in the Midwest, but we could theoretically ship anywhere. We do business in 193 countries in 50 US states. So call us, let's discuss your situation. Most importantly, would you rather rent or buy it outright? Our telephone number is 1-312-857-4416. Call us anytime, 24/7. You could text us as well. And let's get this deal going. If you've been looking for a mixer for aeration aspirator, this is the time to get involved. So we hope to talk to you soon. Take care, and let's make a deal happen.